Hello, welcome to the Winky Rippers. As you can see, we went out and bought some Pokémon cards. Thanks for all the help, and we found Paradox Rift packs, promo packs of some sort. And then we also went to Smith's and we got 5 of these, which is all we were allowed to have. We also got a new binder. In fact, I don't think I've ever owned a binder in my life, so that's exciting too. You want to do your Paradox Rift one? Alright, so do you want to do it?
Yeah.
You sit here then.
I think let's do those last because I feel like they're the best ones.
Alright. What to colour sweet?
Oh, hi. I'm just really carefully opening the pack. So I'm just carefully doing that. Toss that away. Don't need that. Maybe I need some gloves or something. I think I've got some actually. Some cotton gloves. So first card is...
So, read it. What is it?
It's Arctibax.
Arctibax.
Some sort of boomerang throwing dinosaur.
Which one are you going for first?
And I think this one because it's my least favourite. So what do I do? What, like this? Just rip the pack, is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm actually so nervous. Okay, so what do I do?
I don't know if you take 3, but put 2.
It's already a shiny one.
Fuck it, it was 3.
Yveltal. Basic Energy. Surskit. Magby. Fucking that's adorable. Put that on my list. Flamingo. Porygon.
Porygon.
Manchow.
Oh.
Wika. Screamtail. Brute Bonnet. He's shiny.
Oh.
And Blipbug.
Alright, that's your first up. Oh my god, holding these is insane. Like, honestly.
Should I put these to the side then? Here, like that?
This is dangerous.
Okay, so moving on to the next pack now.
Colour sweeping to be like, what are they doing? Imbeciles.
Like how many do I need to put to the back and whatever else?
Oh.
Blitzel. Oh, he's cute. Come to bed eyes. Blitzel. Bounsweet. Feebas. Apom. Chantel. Garbodor. Future Booster Energy Capsule. Nimble. Espatra. Palkia. It's got a star. Basic Energy. Okay, last pack. This is my favourite looking pack. Diamondy Dinosaur. Water dragon thing. Iron Bundle. Ferrothorn. Slitherwing.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Gilgar. Toxic.
Ooh.
It's got 2 stars.
Ooh.
His name's Altaria X.
Has he got any X cards?
What does that mean?
That's a good card. That's a good card.
2 stars
That
next
might be
to it.
worth a whole 50p. Yeah.
Really?
Maybe.
Wow.
Well,
Basic Energy. Pansage. Mantike. Gabite. Minun. And Screamtail.
Ooh.
Wow. We're looking for a Groudon.
So we've got the old Setatan as our base promo card. By the way, we're going to say words that just aren't accurate.
The only we know so far is Rip.
Fat rips.
Yeah.
Winky ripping. Got it. So this is a Size He's got a wheel for a front. So we got a Size Ooh! Tulip. It's pretty cool. Can't see anything wrong with it at the moment. Tiny little knock there. It's pretty good. Put that one over there. We have a Water Energy, a Natu, a Remoraid, a Pumpkaboo, I like him, and a Zubat, I actually know that one. A Tinkerton. A Kyle Durant. And an earthen vessel.
£7.30 that tulip card's worth.
$7.30.
Yeah.
Get in. So we've already made money.
No.
Yeah.
No, darling.
Yeah, but on the packs we've opened 4 packs and we've made. Yeah. Earthen vessel and a Tinkertuff. Are they related? A Tinkerton and a Tinkertuff? They must be. Am I butchering this?
I think so.
Delivering oath. Alright, so we've got Apom. We've got a Masquerain. Butterfly thing.
Gently then, you're
Sorry.
really flicking them.
Sorry. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. Another one of those Cyclozar. Oh, that's why. The bike. Cycle.
Oh.
Bicycle. Lizard. Tandem Mouse. They're creepy as hell. We got a Reverse Hollow Feebas. We got a Hollow... A Garganical. Basic Energy. Ferroseed. A Bound Sweet, and another Feebas in the same pack. Anyway, last one of this pack for me.
Being really quite aggressive with the cards, and if there is a nice one in there and you don't get grade 10 after all you've put me through today, I'll be cross.
Energy card. Gimme ghoul.
A man after midnight.
Gimme ghoul. Purloin. It's like a sirloin, but it
Purse.
purrs. I like this one. The Mindful. I actually like him. I don't care if he's valuable. A Pharaoh Seed. Medical Energy. A Steenie. A Glizcore. A Technical Machine Turbo Energize. And a Groudon Reverse Hollow. Ooh, now we got another one. We got a Hollow Morpeko. Well, these are a couple of nice ones though. I don't think they're rare. So that is my first 3 packs.
Hello. Oh, smooth rippage today.
What's Holly ripped?
One to the back. To the front, sorry. Hope that it's a trainer card.
Yeah.
Nice. Basic Energy.
Energy.
Nick it. Naklai. Nimble. I've got him already, I think. Yamsa. Yamas. Norman. Othworm. Toadscruel. Gollispod. Air Palm, I got one of them in my last ones. Oh, and an Iron Jugulis. Future. No, I am really enjoying myself.
Well.
Basic Energy. Trubbish. Crustal. Onyx. Little. Gliscor. Oh, that's cool. Absol.
He's cool.
Mainfu. Luxurious Cape. Udon. As well. Basic Energy. Water. Nimble. Got him. Yamsat. Got him. Spinder. Haven't got that one yet. Tinkertink. Oh, he looks sad. Oh, Crocodile. You'll like that one.
Oh, he's cool. Has he got a little sombrero on?
Dondozo. Wika. Jirichi. Is it going to be a good one?
Ooh.
Wow.
Is that EX again?
Yeah. Golisopod. Wow, so that's 2 EXs.
Nice. Basic Energy. A Pumpkaboo. Zubat. A Gimmighoul. A Purloin. A Simipour. Oh, he's cool. A Zebstrika. Luxurious cape, did you say?
Yeah, but IR.
Ooh, on edge. That's a reverse hollow. Ooh, a Panpour, he's cute. And then my last one, ooh, it's a hollow. But yeah, a Palkia.
Opening some more Journey Together packs.
Remove that.
Basic energy. Watto, it's you! Ah, it's like a
Aw.
penguin.
I is puffin.
I said pecan.
I is pecan.
Squawkabilly. Clang. Furret. Ah, like that. Clorf. Levincia. Oinkalong is Lolly. That is literally me. Purloin. Excavator. Ready?
Yeah. Ooh!
Wow. Volcanion EX. Good ripping. Sleeve it and leave it. Okay, second pack. Let's go. Clean rippage. La Vista. La Vista, baby. Metapod. Black Belt Training. Voltorb. Clorf. Levincia. Oinkalog. Oh shit, this is literally like a dupe pack. Nimble. Reverse hollow. Squove it. I don't know, but he's cute. And Kilowattle. Wow.
Yeah, he's cool.
Third pack. Number 3. So I was just about to say, I think I've got the hang of opening these now, but. Noibat. Rockruff. Centropie. Magma. Pangoro. Grimmsnarl. Ends peepee up. Ah, Torkoal. It's cute. Regice.
Snorlax!
I got a Snorlax.
Yes! Oh, yes. I love him. Oh my god, yes. Put him in the good one. Journey Together. Ooh, that felt good. Okay. Petalil. A Minchino. A Toadscall. A Mr. Mime. That's very cool. A Grimmsnarl. A PP bottle. A Pelipper. Oh, Torchic. Leoncia with yours reverse hollow. Ooh, an Alcremie EX. Very cool. Really?
She's got tits on her head.
We got boobs on your head.
Just leave it and leave it.
Bag it and tag it.
Just be careful with the cards, right, hun?
Yes, dear. Practice makes perfect after all. A basic energy. Swinub. A Shelmet. So childish. A Shelgon. A Milcery. A Sandaconda. Ooh. A Copperaja. A redeemable ticket for what? I do not know. A Tropius. Reverse hollow. A Noibat. Reverse hollow. I think we had that before. And a Lycanroc.
All out war yesterday when I tried to pick up the cards with my nails, and Jackie's doing exactly the same right now.
But yes, it's. So we have a Hemorrhoid.
Really?
No. Carablast. Oh, he's cool. Kecleon. Oh, I remember him actually. Another Torchic, but not a good one that we had before. A Hop's Choice Band. Oh, an Articuno. Legendary bird there. Postwick. A Aquagore. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Hop's Bag. and a Reshiram.
All you can see is your hat. Can't even see your face. Look, I went away to sneeze. I came back. It's just hat, in the frame, like no face.
Sorry.
That whole thing is just your hat.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, me again. Drudigon. Cubone. Aww. Lechonk.
You didn't like it?
Ah! Lechonk. Joltik. Ends Joltik. Hop's Choice Band. Articuno.
Was that a good one? Or?
No. Potswick. It's a stadium. Beldam. Lilligant. Ooh, Hollow Trainer. Wow, I've got 2 stars. It could
just be a hyper rare.
It's got 2 stars.
Yeah, I think IR is a gold. It's a gold star. And then SIR is 2 gold stars, I believe. Very good.
Going in.
She in.
Last one for Lolly. Oh. Wow.
Break it.
Wooloo. Bag on. Aw, like that too. Little teethies. Paras. No, don't like it. Wind gun. Pelepa. No clue. Kling Clang. Ends Kling Clang.
That's not the name of a Pokemon.
Kling Clang.
Kling Clang.
Kling Clang. That's what it says. Ends Kling Clang.
Nice.
Ends Castle. Who's N? Squawkabilly. Oh, I had that in the other one, but now this is a reverse hollow. Billionaire. Ooh. Tapu Koko. EX.
That looks dope. That's a really cool card.
I like that.
Yeah, really cool card. Put it in a good one.
Jack wants to buy my Snorlax. Comment what he should pay down below.
Yeah, I now have to pay to have the card that Lolly ripped open. But it's Snorlax, so who knows, it might actually happen. Last couple for tonight. More coming.
You've got more coming already? You better start thinking about how to flip them then, otherwise we're just going to be down a hell of a shit ton of money.
Yep. I think that's part of the game. Alright. Basic energy. Furret. Drudigon. Cubone. Yeah, another one there. Oh, the chunk is cute.
It is, isn't it?
Well cute.
I really like it.
He doesn't look like he belongs in Pokemon.
Ah, Lechonk.
Brock's Scouting.
Brock.
Volcarona. Marowak. That's Cubone's evolution.
Oh, let me see.
There you go, so that's part of your set. I'll swap it for a Snorlax.
No.
Did you want that set or not?
No.
A Kelgor. That's another one of those. A Togedemaru.
Show me.
My last one, which I kind of just skipped through, is a Metagross. He's pretty cool. So down to the last one of Journey Together for now. So hopefully getting some ascended heroes soon. Okay. I still reckon Carl and Squeak will be devastated of how we've opened these somehow.
Probably.
Our last pack of the night. A basic energy. A Wooper. Another Wattrel. A Squawkabilly. A Clang.
Ah, the Kling Clang.
You got the Kling Clang. Oh, a Combusken. That's the evolution of Torchic. Oh, Golem. Excavalier. I don't like him. Not a fan of that. A Purloin. Ooh. A Maractus, which is an IR.
Well done.
It's an IR. That is our. Oh, there's another one. Is a Regirock. That's cool though. Get an IR, like not even on the last card. That's a nice one. Okay. A Maractus IR. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know if you can see that, but. Alright. That'll do it.
Say bye.
Bye bye, everybody.